So after a good morning's ride of about 2.5 hours, we just had lunch, and Raymond was doing some maintenance on the bike and somehow managed to let more air out of the back tyre than he needed to, so paying the price now. But it was a bit of a hit and miss start this morning. Neither of us were particularly confident. It was pretty slippery, it was very cold, and our bikes certainly were not set up very well for it. But Raymond's dialed out his compression damping quite a bit, which has made quite a difference, and he's set his tyre pressures a lot better, just like myself. Just took a little bit of setting up. I seem to have got near perfect rim clean. So I don't know if you can see on this rim that there's actually about 2 or 3 millimeters that's very clean on the edge right there. You can see it. That means that my front tyre pressure is nearly perfect for the riding conditions. And then on the back, same sort of thing. See, right there. Perfect bit of clean rim. Good tyre pressure. As you can also see, we've been through a little bit of mud. The bike's looking not so clean.